video, I'd like to cover multiple document generation. For this example, let's say we're generating a new master services agreement, and for this account, we don't have an NDA. So we'd like to generate both at the same time. We can see here that there's a particular requirements centered around the NDA. However, you can scale this up to as much additional metadata as the documents require. And this can be both for the MSA and the NDA, or as we see here, just the NDA. So full flexibility in terms of growing or eliminating, if you wish, the extra metadata around a document. One of the things that stock document generation will not afford you is the ability to generate two documents at the same time and put them into the same workflow. Now, this can also be constructed so that if we wanted two separate workflows, we could do that as well. So we have flexibility, scalability here for various use cases, which provides a better return on investment. We're going to click next, and we're going to proceed to our progress bar. So this again is using a custom e-form that allows for custom document generation, and that bypasses the stock document generation, because in this case we need to have two documents generated at the same time. Now this can take a little bit longer, of course, because we're merging data into two documents instead of just one. This is also running in a UAT environment, so it's going to be a little bit slower than a production environment. But here again, the benefit is the ability to generate two documents at the same time. And it's not just limited to two. You could have any number of documents that you wish to generate at the same time go through this approach. So it took about 69 seconds there, 1 minute and 9 seconds for the full process to get two documents, create all the additional things that happen for attributes and metadata. And as we can see here, both documents are now part of this workflow, and they can be sent for signature together and all the other processes together. So again, stock document generation is not going to afford you this. The attributes that were applied is another thing that happens with the workflow. So a lot goes on behind the scenes along with merging the data of the information that needs to get merged. But this is a way to build upon document generation in that now this is fully trackable for the rep inside Salesforce. They can click on either document to get there. Of course, additional document types could be added. This is an example of what